Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to install and use Google Voice SS. This app is very useful if you want to use your mobile with voice commands without touching screen. Open Play Store. Here search for Google Voice SS. Open the first link. I have already installed this application, so press on open. Now here we need to enable voice SS in accessories of our mobile, so press OK. Here press on voice SS. Here we need to enable the setting. Press OK. Here Voice SS is asking us to update Google app for better work experience. Now press on next. Now we need to open settings and enable OK Google detection from any screen. So press on go to settings. Now enable the setting. Now press on yes. Now this is a short tutorial of this application. This application is saying that when we say OK Google, this application will activate. Now press on next. Now installation of this application is completed. Now I will show you how this application works. To activate this application, I just need to say OK Google. Open Chrome browser. Go back. Open messages. Six, 2, 2, go back. Open camera. Go back. Eleven. Two. Restaurants. 11. Go back. Main menu. Go back. Go back. Open camera. Go back. So friends, by the help of this application, you can very easily use your mobile phone from your voice command. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video,
then press on like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.